given always to work in sketch mode. So if you click off it, again it should go blue to tell you this is what you should be doing because you're in this grid, you can see the sketches. So using our tools are indicated by the amount of dots we can see in each tool, and that tells us how many times you need to click when you're under the create tab to use that tool. So a line requires 2 clicks, start of the line, end of the line, so click once, let it go, move your mouse, click again, creates a line tool, press escape to deselect. If you make a mistake, you can always then undo it or redo it, depending on what you've done. You've got what's called a center point circle tool. So again, I'm always clicking in the picture here, which allows you to click once, then drag your mouse and click again to draw a circle from the center. You've got your 2-point rectangle, which allows you to click the top left corner, let go of the mouse, move the mouse cursor, and click again to create a 2-point rectangle. And then to finish off with your tools, you've got your 3-point arc. So this one's the only one that's different, where you need to click the start, click the end, and then you can choose where to click to set that curve for that object. So this is the kind of basics in the creation. So what we're going to start off by doing today is our first basic shape. So we're going to start off by learning to do a rectangle and then extrude it and dimension it. So we're going to select the rectangle tool. We're going to get into the habit of clicking on the center of our work planes, drawing my shape. Now, as you can see, when I'm moving about, the sizes are getting larger, they're getting smaller, but I'm going to preset that size. So I'm going to just click. I'm then going to use my dimension tool at the top here. Now, because I want the length to be the certain size, I'm going to click that line once, move my mouse up and click again to set that dimension line, and I'm going to put that size in as 170. I'm then going to dimension the height of my rectangle by clicking the line, moving again, clicking one more time, and I'm going to change that number to 100 and press enter. So I'm left with my first shape that I have dimensioned. Now once I've did and finished my 2D sketch, I can then finish that sketch, zoom all, choose my extrude option. So this is going to be my first modelling option. You can see it's changed to 3D model at the top. Choose extrude, and then choose the thickness I want to apply to this model. Now again, you can always click and drag that arrow if you want to kind of freeform pick a size, but a lot of the time when you're in class or a lot of time when you're modelling, you'll have a preset size in mind. So I may just make mine 50. Press OK, and that is our first model completed. Well done, and move on to the second video now, which is going to look at using the extrude tool a wee bit further, and then eventually leading on to other features within Autodesk Inventor.